I've made over 500 YouTube videos and I've realized that there's one thing all successful YouTubers do. And this thing is going to sound so boring that when I tell you what it is, you're probably going to roll your eyes and just stop watching. The thing I'm talking about is a system. There's this one quote from James Clear that I really like. You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. If you want to make 6 figures with YouTube, then it's going to be so much easier if you put systems in place. I've got 3 systems that you can think about that you might like to put in place that are going to help you get where you want to go. The first system is a filming system. If you can systemize your filming system, you're going to waste less time setting things up when it comes to hitting record. If you've got the space, then just have your camera, microphones, lights, whatever set up all of the time and with all of the correct settings dialed in. That means you can just go into the room, turn everything on and hit record and be ready to go. So what happens if you don't have a dedicated filming space that you can use? Well, I've got a few tips for you. Number 1 is to make a note of where everything gets set up so it's easy to put things in place the next time you want to film. Make a note of the zoom or the focal length, the aperture and the settings on the camera so you don't have to go and fiddle with everything every single time you want to record. You can just set everything to what you've got written down. And if you're using any lighting, then make a note of how bright those lights are set so you can just set everything up and you're ready to go without testing the setup every single time. System number 2 is an editing system. If you find yourself doing the same things over and over again in every video that you edit, make them into a system. So this could involve setting up presets for your project or effects that you use so you can really quickly just get those same settings back every time. You don't have to type in all the settings every time you want to do the same thing. Maybe set up a blank starter project template. So rather than starting with the default template that comes when you start a new project in your video editor, you can just drag in your own template, which has got things like audio tracks and video tracks already set up, ready to go. You can also set up presets for your render or export settings, so you're always going to export in exactly the same format without having to go through all of the drop-down lists and change everything every time you export a video. If you tend to use the same sound effects or common music over and over again, don't go and download them every single time from whatever stock music library you're using. I use Epidemic Sound. If you want a free trial, check out the first link in the description. But instead, you can grab all the sound effects and the music that you use over and over again, just put them into a common folder on your computer so you can quickly find them every time. And there's loads of other examples of stuff you can use to make things quicker, even to the point of creating your own color grading presets, or even one step further, create your own custom LUTs so you can drag it onto your footage every time and it looks great. The third system you might want to create for yourself is a video ideas system. That's because choosing the right idea for a video to make on YouTube is half the battle. So you want to make videos that people are going to want to watch. You're going to want to make videos that build trust, and maybe make videos that lead people to buy your product or service. And while we're on the subject of products, if you want to make your videos easier to make and look better, check out my 52 Laws of Video ebook. I'll put a link to it down in the description. So when it comes to video ideas, there's a few basic things that you're going to want a system for. The most important thing is to capture ideas when they pop into your head of videos that you might want to make, because if you don't write it down, trust me, that idea will be lost. You'll wake up the next day and going, oh, I had a great idea yesterday, but I have no idea what it was. You don't want to be in that situation. Number 2, you want some way to organize the video ideas, maybe into topics or niches, or into ideas that you think might be better or worse to make. I've been using Apple Notes more and more, and it's just a really quick way of writing down ideas because I've always got my phone on me, and I've gone to the point of actually creating different folders within Apple Notes. I've got a folder for ideas, I've got a folder that I call backlog, which are ideas that I think I've chosen that I want to make. I've got a next folder, which is for ideas that are currently in development, so I'm typing out scripts or planning. I've got another folder for items that I'm working on, and finally a separate folder for items or videos that are done, so I always at a glance can see all the different videos and what stage they're at in production. Automation, habits and systems means you're going to waste less time and get more videos made. But these are not the only systems. Feel free to create systems around whatever it is that you do. I'm Jason Roberts. This channel is all about making better looking, better sounding and better edited videos. If that's something that you're interested in, please subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.